Learning to fly a drone can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it also requires dedication and patience. It is important to approach drone flying with a serious attitude, as it is not only a fun hobby but also a potentially dangerous activity if not done safely. The first step in learning to fly a drone is to choose the right equipment. There are many different types of drones on the market, each with their own features and capabilities. For beginners, it is often recommended to start with a smaller, less expensive drone to get the hang of the basics before moving on to more advanced models. Once you have your drone, the next step is to familiarize yourself with the controls. This may involve reading the user manual, watching tutorial videos online, or taking a beginner's course. It is important to understand how the drone operates and how to control it before attempting to fly it. Before flying your drone, it is important to choose the right location. It is best to fly in an open area, away from people, buildings, and other obstacles. It is also important to check the weather conditions, as strong winds can make it difficult to control the drone. When it comes to actually flying the drone, it is important to start slow and steady. Begin by taking off and hovering at a low altitude, getting a feel for how the drone responds to your commands. Gradually increase the altitude and distance as you become more comfortable and confident. It is also important to practice safety measures while flying your drone. This includes being aware of your surroundings, avoiding restricted airspace, and maintaining a safe distance from people and objects. As you gain more experience flying your drone, you can experiment with more advanced maneuvers, such as flips and rolls. However, it is important to remember that safety should always come first. Overall, learning to fly a drone takes time and practice, but it can be a fun and rewarding experience. By choosing the right equipment, familiarizing yourself with the controls, and practicing safety measures, you can become a skilled drone pilot in no time.